Hello and welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we have an exciting one for you as we dive into the world of photography with the Panasonic Lumix ZS80D 4K digital camera. This camera is making waves in the market, and we're about to find out why it's considered the best compact camera out there. The Panasonic Lumix ZS80D is a feature-packed digital camera designed to deliver exceptional performance in a compact form factor. With its impressive 20.3 megapixels 1/2.3-inch sensor, 30x Leica DC Vario Elmar lens, and wide aperture range from f3.3 to f6.4. This camera is ready to capture stunning photos and videos. Now, let's talk about some key features that set this camera apart. Large sensor asterisk. The 1/2.3-inch 20.3 megapixels MOS sensor significantly improves low light performance, ensuring high-quality images even in challenging conditions. Leica DC Vario Elmar lens. This camera boasts a sharp 24mm ultra-wide-angle lens with a powerful 30x telephoto zoom, allowing you to capture a wide range of subjects. Power OIS. The optical image stabilizer effectively minimizes blur caused by handshake, especially during telephoto shooting, ensuring your photos and videos are crystal clear. 4K video. Shoot stunning 4K video in 3840 by 2160 at 30p. And utilize the 4K photo mode to capture fast-moving subjects at 30 fps and 8 megapixels as still photos. Viewfinder and display. The camera features a large 0.21-inch viewfinder and a 3.0-inch LCD with touch control, making it easy to compose your shots. Wireless connectivity. With built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, you can easily connect the camera to your smartphone or tablet for remote shooting and instant image sharing. Now that we've covered the key features, let's talk about the benefits of using the Panasonic Lumix ZS80D. Portability. This camera's compact size makes it perfect for on-the-go photography. Slip it into your pocket, and you're ready to capture beautiful moments wherever you are. Versatility. The 30x zoom lens allows you to capture a wide range of subjects, from sweeping landscapes to distant wildlife, all with one camera. Image quality. Thanks to the large sensor and Leica lens, you can expect stunning image quality, even in low light conditions. 4K capabilities. The camera's 4K video and 4K photo mode open up creative possibilities, ensuring you never miss a perfect shot. Connectivity. Wireless connectivity makes it easy to share your photos and videos with friends and family in real time. In conclusion, the Panasonic Lumix ZS80D 4K digital camera is the best compact camera on the market, offering exceptional image quality, versatile zoom capabilities, and advanced features that cater to both beginners and enthusiasts. Whether you're a traveler, a photographer, or just someone who loves capturing memories, this camera is an excellent choice. That wraps up our review of the Panasonic Lumix ZS80D. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful product reviews. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.